Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Umpqua Bank, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.umpquabank.com and press enter. Once the Umpqua Bank homepage loads, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page for online banking. Here, you will see fields to enter your username and password. Input your username in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the second field. If you want the system to remember your login details, check the Remember Me box. After entering your credentials, review them for accuracy. Now, click the Login button to access your online banking account. If you encounter any issues, look for the Need Help link for assistance. For first-time users, click on Enroll to create a new account. Follow the prompts to complete the enrollment process. Once logged in, you can view your account information and perform transactions. If you're using a public computer, remember to log out after your session. To do this, click on the Log Out button, usually found in the Account menu. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.